2x plus y is equal to 6 is the first equation. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. A1 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to 1. Instead of 5, you can substitute 1. c1 is equal to 6. 2x minus y is equal to 2 is the second equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a2 is equal to 2. b2 is equal to minus 1. c2 is equal to 2. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 2. b1 by b2 equal to minus 1 by minus 1. c1 by c2 equal to 6 by 2. 2 1 ja will get cancelled. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. 1 by 1 is not equal to 1 by minus 1 equal to 3 by 1. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. It is a intersecting line. It is intersecting consistent.